This lesson shows how to make calculations with percents using the percent proportion. The percent proportion is the ratio of part over whole equal to percent over 100. For example, to express 40 is 80% of 50. The equation would be 40 over 50 equals 80 over 100. The proportion has three quantities: part, whole, and percent. If you have any two of these quantities, you need to be able to find the third. The first step to solving a proportion is cross-multiplying. This means the product of the numerator and denominator on opposite sides of the equal sign are equal. For this example, that means 40 times 100 is equal to 80 times 50. The first example, what percent of 15 is 9? For this question, 15 is the whole, 9 is the part, and you need to find the percent. So the proportion is 9 over 15 equals percent over 100. Cross multiply, and you get 15 times percent equals 9 times 100. Divide both sides by 15, and you get percent equals 9 times 100 divided by 15, which is 60. So 60% of 15 is 9. The second example, what number is 40% of 120? For this question, 40 is the percent, 120 is the whole, and you need to find the part. So the proportion is part over 120 equals 40 over 100. Cross multiply, and you get 100 times part equals 40 times 120. Divide both sides by 100, and you get part equals 40 times 120 divided by 100, which is 48. So 48 is 40% of 120. The third example, 18 is 25% of what number? For this question, 18 is the part, 25 is the percent, and you need to find the whole. So the proportion is 18 over whole is 25 over 100. Cross multiply, and you get 25 times whole equals 18 times 100. Divide both sides by 25, and you get whole equals 18 times 100 divided by 25, which is 72. So 18 is 25% of 72. It's sometimes difficult to tell the difference between the part and the whole in these statements. Just remember, the of clause always points to the whole. This lesson was brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.